Okay, we're getting ready to go outside and play in the snow. It's a really big snowstorm, December 2009, right before Christmas. Alex, do you have anything to say about the snow? Do you want to go out in the snow?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see if everyone else. Mojo, do you have anything to say about the snow? Okay. Andy?
Ready to build some snowmen, our first snowman.
Okay. We'll see you when we're outside. Okay, we're in our backyard. It looks like about a foot of snow already. Mojo is in the snow already. Alex, come on out. Whoa.
How you doing, Mojo?
How is it, Alex? Oh my God, it's almost as tall as you.
It's as tall as Mojo behind you.
Moji, are you making yellow snow? No, Moji does not like to pee outside in the snow, only in our kitchen.
Is this crazy? Do you not like it? You want to see if Lily's inside? Yeah. Ready?
This is our table. Looks like about foot and a half already to me.
I don't see anyone in there. I see Kitty. No?
That's a lot of snow. Do you want to build a snowman, Alex? I think someone's already had enough. Not Mojo, though.
Look, Alex, it's snow.
Okay. Well,
You want to hold it? Do you want to hold snow in your hand? Someone's ready to move to Arizona.
first snow, and we've had enough.
Oh, no, what? You got snow under your mitten? Is your hand a little cold?
So, Alex, what do you think of the snow?
Good?
Do you have anything to say about the snow? Mojo?
Mojo funny? You like the snow, huh?
Mojo loves the
You wanna go
snow.
in the snow? No.
No, Alex is definitely.
I got you.
Huh?